Good morning to all of you. Today we start chapter 3 exponent for class 8. This is the first part video. In exponent what we will study? First of all, 2 to the power 2. It means 2 can be written as multiple 2 into 2. This means 2 multiplied by 2 by 2 times 2 into 2, that is 4. And if minus 2 to the power 3 is equal to, it means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus into minus, that is plus, and plus into minus, that is minus. And 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8. You can say if a to the power n minus a to the power n minus a to the power n, if n is even, you can get positive number. You can get positive number. If n is odd, you get negative n. This is minus, this is also minus, this is also minus. So minus into minus, that is plus, and 2 into 2 4. It means minus a to the power n. N means when n is even. Even means 2. The number this is divisible by 2. It means even number. N is even, you get positive n. And if n is odd means a number this is not divisible by 2, that is odd number. Minus a, n is odd, you get minus a. The minus a. 2 is called base, and this is called power. This is called power or index. INDEX, इंडेक्स भी कह सकते हैं. In chapter number 2 exponent we studies some formulas. What is the formula? Some formula a by b to the power n. A by b to the power n, that means a to the power n upon b to the power n. If a by b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n divided by b to the power n. This is a formula. And let's suppose if 3 by 7 to the power whole power 2, it means 3 by 7 3 to the power 2 and also 7 to the power 2. It means 3 into 3 and divided by 7 into 7. It means 9 by 49. 9 by 49. You can write this in form 3 by 7 into 3 by 7. It means 9 by 49. 9 by 49. So this is the formula. If a by b to the power whole number, you can write a to the power n upon b to the power n. Next, this is a positive number. And if power is negative, let's say a by b whole power minus n. A by b to the power minus n, it means you can written in this form b by a to the power n. B by a to the power n. Let's a question. If 2 by 3 to the power minus 3, you can write this in form 3 by 2 to the power 3. Now you can solve 3 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 3. It means 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. It means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27, and 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So this is the explanation of given formula. Now another formula. First of all, a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power m plus n. If the base is equal, then the power is added. This is a by b and a by b. This is same base and power is different. So this is equal to base to the power m plus n. Take the example 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. This is base is not same. So this is not an example. If 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2, it means 3 and 3 base is same. So the sum of power, it means 3 to the power 3 plus 2, it means 3 to the power 5. The value of this is also equal to the value of this. So you can use this formula to solve any questions. Next, a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n is equal to a by b to the power n minus n. A by b to the power n minus n. If a by b to the power whole number is divided by a by b to the power n, you will get a by b to the power n minus n. Take example 2 by 3 to the power 5 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 3. It means 2 by 3 to the power 5 minus 3. You will get 2 by 3 to the power 2, that is 2 to the power 2 upon 3 to the power 2. It means 4 by 9. So this is the complete explanation of given formula. Next, a by b to the power m to the whole power n, it means a by b to the power m into n. Let's take example. If 2 by 3 to the power 2 to the whole power 3, it means 2 by 3 to the power 2 into 3, that means 2 by 3 to the power 6. 2 by 3 to the power 6. Now next formula, a by b to the power 0 is equal to 1. In class 7 you study a to the power 0 is equal to 1. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. These formula are also studied in class 7. And next formula, a by b to the power minus n can be written as b by a to the power positive n. A by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a positive n. And formula is also a by b into c by d to the power n. A by b into c by d to the power n is equal to a by b to the power n into c by d to the power n. So this is the first formula, this is second formula, this is third formula, this is fourth formula, this is fifth formula, and this is sixth formula. All these formula are very important to solve any question. So please pause the video and note it down. Next proceed. exercise 2a, exercise 2a, exercise 2a. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 can be solved by a formula. So I solve question number 5. Question number 5. Exercise 2a. 2a, question number 5. Question number 5. Question is 1 by 3 to the power minus 3. 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 curly bracket divided by 1 by 4 to the power minus 3. How can I solve this question? First of all, 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 to the power minus 3. First of all, you know the formula a by b to the power n is minus n is equal to b by a to the power n. So we use this formula in this question. A by a to the power minus 1 is equal to b by a to the power 1. By this formula we can write this a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power a by b to the power minus 1 is equal to b by b, that is 3 by 1 to the power 3, 3 by 1 to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 means 2 by 1 to the power 3 divided by 1 by 4 to the power minus 3, that means 4 by 1 to the power 3. We can use this formula in this questions. Now you can solve easily. This means 3 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 3 divided by 4 to the power 3, because 1 is not effect. 3 to the power 3, that is 27, minus 2 to the power 3, that is 8, divided by 4 to the power 3, that is 4 into 4 16 into 4 4. That means 17 minus 8, that is 19 divided by 64. It means is equal to 19 by 64. 19 by 64. 19 by 64. This is a complete. So this is a complete explanation of question number 5. Please pause the video and note it down. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. What is question number 7? Question number 7 is 5 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 6 to the power minus 1. 6 to the power minus 1. You can write this 5 by 1 to the power minus 1 into, this can also be written as 3 by 1 to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 6 to the power 6 by 1 to the power minus 1. 6 by 1 to the power minus 1. Again use formula a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n. So you can write this 1 by 5 to the power 1 into 1 by 3 to the power 1 and divided by 1 by 6 to the power 1. It means 1 by 5, that is 1 by 5, and this is also 1 by 3, and this is also 1 by 6. So 1 by 15 divided by 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. We can write this 1 upon 15 divided by 1 upon 16. 1 by 15 divided by 1 upon 16. How can we write? If A by B upon C by D, it means A multiplied with D and B multiplied with C. It means A into D divided by B into C. That is 1 into 6 upon 1 into 15. You can cut by 3 to the 6 and 3 5 the 15. It means this is equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Question number 7. 5 into 3 2a. Question number 7. 90 given है. 90 1 by 6. It means there are some error. Where is error? 1 by 5 into 1 by 3 divided 1 upon 15 into 1 upon 15. 1 upon 15 into 1 upon 6. 1 upon 15 divided by 1 by 6. 1 by 6. This is 6 by 1. This is 1 by 6. And this is 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 5. 1 by 5, 1 upon 15 divided by 1 upon 6. 1 by 6. 2 by 5. So this is the complete solution of question number 7. Question number 7. Today's solution. Thank you.